Hello class, welcome to homework 5 or week report 5 explanation. So again, you can find that right over here under homework number 5 or via Blackboard. So you have a couple of tasks here to complete. Obviously your week report, then you're going to complete lab number 5 and then you're going to start working on your final project deliverable 1, which you're going to find right over here where it says final project description. I'm going to attach a video over here explaining deliverable 1. I'm not sure if I am going to make a different video like I did from last year, but if you want to get started with the one that you find here, that's fine. I still had to review it and make sure that it fits these semesters well. Now, with that said, let's continue with homework 5. So for your week report, again, we're just going to open VS Code real quick. I'm going to click on File, Open Folder. Make sure I'm working inside CIS 106. And then let me just minimize this. And inside week report, I'm just going to create a new file called week report 5.md. Let me just copy my font matter from week 3. And then week report 5. Then from here, we're going to copy a couple of things. Since you have to give me answers to these questions, all you're going to do is copy this. Answer to questions. Again, multi-line formatting using Ctrl-Shift and the up arrow key down. And I'm just going to use bullet points for this. And we are going to bold this guy up. We're going to do the same thing in the end. Answer goes here. For this section over here, I suggest you do it like this. The command is command name here. Let me just put it right there, which the command is mkdir, and then you put example1, example1, then you put the description for the example, create a directory, and then code formatting, mkdir, potatoes, right? Then here we're gonna do example 2, create multiple directories. I do mkdir movies, and then we're gonna do downloads, games, and then let's create one folder in documents. Let's call this homework. Yep. And then just come up with another third example on how to create directories, right? And do the same thing for the other examples over here as well. Explain MVNCP. All of this information can be found in the presentation. Then complete the practices in the presentation. So all we're gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this and so I'm gonna do the first one. So if you click on the link, it should take you straight to the page where it has the practice. So practice 1, creating files and directories. I'm just gonna move this to the side. Move this to the side, minimize it, and open a terminal. Here it says, in your home directory, create a directory called website. So we're gonna do mkdir website. Inside website, so I'm just gonna go inside website. And then here, we're gonna create two directories called script and assets. So mkdir is script and assets. And then inside the website directory, we're gonna create a file called index.html. And then inside assets, we're gonna create a file called image.png. So we're gonna do touch assets image.png. And then in the scripts, we're gonna do touch scripts script.js. and then we're gonna display a tree of the folder. Done. And then we're gonna remove, so we're gonna do rm a script.js, and we're gonna do rm assets image, and then we also are gonna remove the folders, scripts, and assets. So we're gonna do rm -r script, and then also assets. And then we're gonna remove the directory, so we're gonna go back one directory. We're gonna do remove website -r as well. And now we're gonna take a screenshot of this. Save it inside. So this is gonna be week report 5 practice 1. I'm gonna go to CIS 106, week reports, and then click on save. Okay, now I don't need this open anymore. Then in here, practice 1, and then week report 5 practice 1.png. Do the same thing for practice 2, 3, and 4. After you complete it, you take a screenshot and you paste it over here. And that's it. That is week report number 5. Now we're gonna convert this to PDF. And again, git pull, git add, git commit, and then git push. Now we're gonna go to GitHub. Week reports, week report number 5.md. This is the URL that you are gonna give me. It should contain all the information once you have completed it. Right here is the URL. And don't forget to give me the PDF file. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me. Just shoot me a message. See you again next time.